Hello and welcome to my crochet channel Knitting Kitty. Today I'll show you on how to crochet this super cool purse inspired in Minecraft. The project is perfect for beginners and intermediate crocheters alike. It's perfect to keep your money, your cards or headphones. Let's get started. To crochet the purse, we will need fine weight yarn in green and black and 2.5mm crochet hook. I'll use black felt for the creeper's face. I'll use also a sewing thread in black and sewing needle and a silicone hot glue. Also, we'll need a few bubble pins, scissors and one black button. Use green color yarn and start crocheting the purse. Make 26 chain stitches. For this purse, we will work in rows and not rounds as in the case of amigurumi. So for the first row, make a single crochet in the second chain stitch away from the hook. And then continue crocheting a single crochet in each chain stitch till the end. At the end, you will have 25 stitches. Our first row is ready. Now let's crochet the second one. Chain 1 and turn. Make a single crochet in each stitch of the previous row. From now on, we will have to repeat these steps till we have 50 rows in total. So chain 1 and turn, then crochet a single crochet in each stitch of the previous row. Before we finish our purse, we're going to make the creeper's face. Use a black felt. Before I cut the felt, I've made a paper template for the face. This way, I'm sure that I have the right dimensions of the face. I've prepared a printable template that you can easily download. You can find the link below in the video description. Next, use the paper template and an erasable pen to outline the face on the black felt. Then just cut the felt. As I didn't have a white erasable pen, I've used a fabric chalk marker. Fold the crochet piece, leaving 6 rows. These 6 rows will be the purse flap. Use bobble pins to mark how the purse will look when it is folded and where the flap will be. Next, we can position the felt pieces on the purse. Use black sewing thread and sewing needle and start sewing the pieces. If you prefer, you can also use silicone hot glue and paste the pieces. I've decided to combine both options. First, I've glued the felt parts, then I sew them to the crochet piece. Something that I forgot to mention, please accept my apologies, is that when you fold the crochet piece, the yarn tail in green you've been working with should remain in one of the purse flaps corners as shown in the video. After we have finished the creeper's face, now let's finish the purse. Fold again the crochet piece, leaving 6 rows for the flap. Attach new yarn tail in black. Then make a single crochet in the last stitch where you've crocheted the last stitch in green. Continue crocheting a single crochet all over the piece border. Continue making a single crochet, passing the hook through both layers of the crochet piece. Crochet a single crochet also all over the folded part where the bottom of the purse will be. Put 2 single crochet in each corner of the bottom. When you reach the flap part, make a single crochet in the first 10 stitches. Then chain 5 and skip 5 stitches. Finally, crochet a single crochet in the last 10 stitches. Finish with a slip stitch. Use a darning needle to fasten off and hide the yarn tails. Finally, we have to sew one black button on the back of the purse. My button has a diameter of 2.4 centimeters. And our Minecraft purse is ready. Hope you've enjoyed my tutorial.